How to make your account private on Tellonym. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to make your account private on Tellonym. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can just follow the simple method and you can also make your account private on Tellonym. So for that, you can head over to the Tellonym application, and once you're logged in, you'll be finding this dashboard on your screen. And the bottom you'll be finding these options in the navigation bar. So you can directly head over to your profile in the bottom right corner and you'll be led to your profile page. So once you are here, in the top right corner you can find a gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on it to open up your settings. And once you open up your settings, you can scroll down and look out for the option called more. Under others, this one right here, which is right above the logout. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be finding this privacy option with different options available, like allow anonymous user statistic. So if you want to allow anonymous user statistics, you can just turn it on. But if you don't want it, you can just go ahead and turn it off. Same goes for other options as well. If you want other to find you by location, you can go ahead and turn it off. You can also turn off these options right here. And when that is done, that will basically make your account more private and secure. So that is how you make your account private on Tellonym by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.